Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey babes, how are you doing today? You're highly welcome to my channel. My name is Nnenna and I film content around beauty, lifestyle vlogs, and a sprinkle of home decor. So if that's something you're kind of interested in, please do not hesitate to check out my other content. And if you love what you're seeing, please click on that subscribe button to be a member of this wonderful family. So you guys, finally in today's video, I'll be doing a final review of my spare room that I just turned into a beauty slash glam room slash walking wardrobe. So if you watch the part 1 to this whole glam room decor series, you guys, you already know where we started from in this room. But for those who haven't watched that video, I will link it somewhere on the screen. It's just a decorate with me vlog, so I'll link it somewhere on the screen. But I will also show you guys before clips of what this room used to look like. So you guys, with that said, let's get started. I'm really excited to show you guys the final outcome of this room. Let me know how I performed in the comment section. Let's have a nice discussion in the comment section. With that said, I'll see you all. Yeah, let's get started with the video.
Singing my favorite songs, crying for no reason. But when you came to me, I began to miss, and I'm missing this. And you're telling my fate.
So I'll just take you guys through everything that I did in this room to get it to where it is now. So the first thing I did was to change the color of the walls from cream to white. Now there's just I don't know what it is about UK homes, but apparently a lot of landlords. Okay, so back to what I was saying. There is just something about white that lets in a lot of light. So take for example, now that I am filming, I don't have any external light on, just because I have a window and that white just reflects a lot of light. So that was the first thing I did. Cream by white, yes. And something about cream is cream doesn't just photograph well, it doesn't video well. Like, you have to put in more effort to making a cream colored room come together as opposed to white. White is just easy to decorate, that's just the truth. Okay, and that's on that. I was done painting the wall. I literally went to B&Q. I picked up a white paint for 15 bucks and I painted it myself. Like, I didn't have to pay anybody to paint the room for me. So after that, I went ahead to change the carpet. If you watched my previous video, you guys, you saw the previous rug, aka carpet in this room, like very filthy. I went back and forth with my landlady to have it changed, and I mean, she's an old woman. She was going back and forth with me saying that the carpet is okay and all that, but it wasn't okay. Okay, so what I did was I went on eBay and picked up this cream carpet. I laid this one on top. I paid about 90, I think I paid about 90 pounds for this carpet, which I think is a very good price. Like, a carpet this big, about 12 meters square, you guys, it's really worth it. 90 bucks. Alright guys, so once I was done fitting the carpet, I realized that the carpet did not get all the way to the end of the room. Now I had two options: to send this one back and buy an actual carpet that would fit the entire room. But you guys, a carpet that would fit this entire room was to cost me £200. You guys, there is no way that I was about to spend an extra £100 just because I want the carpet to go from here all the way to the end. Listen, I wasn't going to do that. What I did was to go online to look for runner carpets or thin carpets. So I took the measurement of, where this one stops, the end of the wall, and then I took the measurement across this way. So with that, I already knew what I was looking for. So luckily for me, I found this carpet on Ikea. You guys, just £10, okay? £10. So what I did was I had to cut the carpet into two. I'll show you guys clips of that. If you come closer, you would see where I joined it here. This is where I cut the carpet. I cut it here. Once I did that, everything just came together. Okay, all right guys, so as I was done with the walls and the carpet, the next thing I did was to just do a rough drawing of what I want this room to look like. So it's not as if I just went ahead and started placing things anywhere and anyhow. No, I had to do a rough drawing to see the amount of space I have, and to also make sure that by the time I'm done decorating, I still have space to walk around in the room. Alright guys, so once my drawing was ready, the next thing I did was to go ahead and start ordering my furniture pieces. Now one of the first things I ordered for this room is my wardrobe, and this wardrobe is called the Ikea Pax wardrobe. One thing I love about this wardrobe is the fact that it is easily customizable. Like, I can decide to just take this one and move to another part of the wall. I can take it to a different room. I can decide to remove this rail and turn everything into drawers. I can decide to change this one. Let me show you. I can decide to change this one from shelves to drawers, or from shelves to rails. I can decide to move one out and take to another room, or move two out and take to another room. I can decide to put a sliding glass door tomorrow. I can also decide to change this one from rails to drawers, or from rails to shelves. You can do anything. You can literally do anything with these wardrobes, and that is the beauty of the Ikea Pax wardrobe. Like, you guys, this wardrobe is really nice. But let's go ahead and just talk about other things first, and I'll come back to tell you guys how I was able to customize this wardrobe. Over here I have this mirror. This is I really can't remember the name now, but I'm going to leave it on the screen and also linked down below in my description box. This is the Ikea Vittsjo table. Yeah, paid £29 for this. And then I have this lovely black seat that I also got from, I think, Amazon, either Amazon or eBay. I'm going to link it again in my description box. So directly underneath the seat, I have this carpet that I got from Ikea for £7. So this vase, it comes through in a pack. So this is 1, 2, and 3. I paid £8 for the entire set. Alright guys, so the next one I have is this plant that I've been getting a lot of questions about. I got this plant from Amazon. I paid about £69 for it, and yeah, I really love it. Let's talk about this space we have here. The space looks white, but it's actually not white. So basically, I had that old wallpaper on this showing on this corner, and I really did not like it. I just wanted everything to be perfect. So what I did was, luckily for me, this Ikea boxes come with an extra white carton. That carton is actually a covering. I don't know how to explain this, but yeah, I had these white papers that came with the carton. I had about 7 of them, and all I did was to gum the paper on the wall. So looking at it now, you would think that I have a white wall, but actually it's not a white wall. I just have a white paper, I have white papers gummed on the wall with sellotape, and yeah, it looks good. I'll show you a before and after of what that corner looks like. Over here we have this shelf. Again, I got this shelf from Ikea. It's called the Ikea Hyllis shelf. It's supposed to be a plant shelf, but you guys, there are no rules in the game. What I did was to change the color from silver to gold, and then I used marble contact paper to just go over it. So what I did was I kind of did gold, marble contact paper, gold again, and then marble contact paper. So yeah, the next one I have here is this starburst mirror. Now I picked this mirror on the street, okay? I picked it from a street market. I paid about £30 for it. It was initially silver in color, but again I spray painted it gold, and yeah, it matches, you know, the shelf. That's the vibe. Next is this drawer. Again, I picked it from Ikea. I'm using it as my makeup, you know, station. So at the moment I've just got my, let me show you guys what I've got in here. So at the moment I've got my lipsticks in it, a few of the powders that I don't use, cotton bud. I'm going to insert clips on how I did this lipstick divider. Someone who just likes her lip gloss. I feel like I have way too many liquid lipstick for someone who doesn't even use them. So over here I have got some of my ABH lipsticks, Color Pop. Right here I have all my lip glosses, so from the cute ones all the way to the end. I really love this divider. This divider is not just for lipstick. You can literally do anything you want. You can make the space bigger, like you can do anything you want with this. I will show you guys, you know, where I got them from. Okay, here, what have I got here? Okay, I've just got some of my palettes, my eyeshadow palettes in here. Okay, and then down below I've got my hair stuff, extra light, yeah, random things. Okay, so right next to it, right next to the drawer, I've got another of that Ikea Hyllis shelf. Here I have some of my skincare products and some of my hair products. Down here, down here I've got my Law of Attraction journal. I've got some books that, you know, I read, and I've got my trusty Bible. Oh my god, Bible is worn out. Oh my god, but I love it. Like, this is, you guys, I don't know, I love that Bible. Okay, and then down here I've just got a carton to my wide angled lens. Okay, so right in front of my window I've got this table that I'm going to be using as my filming desk. I've got, okay, here I have like eye pigments, glitters, everything eyes here, and I just threw in my camera remote, my LED light remote, what they call this, concealers, and yep. Since I'll be filming with this table, I have things that, you know, I reach for all the time. So eye stuff, powder, foundation, concealer, everything is here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please do well by liking, commenting, sharing the video. This will just help it boost it on the algorithm and also help more people come across these videos. Again, I'm going to link everything I have in this room in the description box. If you have any questions, do well to ask me down below in the comment section. Yeah, let me know how I did with this room. With that said, listen, you guys, I'm literally out of breath. I don't know why, but yeah, with that said, God bless you all for watching, God bless you for supporting, and stay tuned for my next video. Until then, do well to stay safe, and God bless you all.